Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Delhi Capitals versus Sunrisers Hyderabad. We'll dive deep into their team compositions, looking at what makes each side formidable. We'll explore their batting lineups, assessing who has the edge in scoring big runs. Then, we'll shift our focus to their bowling attacks, understanding how each team aims to take crucial wickets. Finally, we'll consider their overall team balance and historical performance to help you decide which team might be better. Delhi Capitals are often recognized for their explosive batting, particularly at the top of the order. They frequently feature batsmen capable of scoring quickly and setting a strong foundation. Their middle order is designed to provide stability and accelerate the scoring rate during crucial phases of the game. Additionally, the team often includes versatile all-rounders who can contribute significantly with both bat and ball, adding depth and flexibility to their squad. This aggressive approach often leads to high-scoring matches. Sunrisers Hyderabad has historically been celebrated for its exceptional bowling unit, especially their potent pace attack. These bowlers are known for their ability to maintain tight lines and lengths, consistently picking up wickets throughout the innings. Their strategy often revolves around restricting opponents' scores and defending totals effectively. While their bowling shines, their top-order batting also provides a solid foundation, with batsmen capable of anchoring the innings and building crucial partnerships, making them a well-rounded side. When comparing these two formidable teams, Delhi Capitals often stand out for their aggressive batting and ability to post large totals. On the other hand, Sunrisers Hyderabad frequently impresses with its disciplined and potent bowling attack, capable of defending even moderate scores. Their head-to-head encounters have consistently been competitive, showcasing a balanced rivalry. Ultimately, both teams bring unique strengths to the field, promising exciting matches for cricket enthusiasts. The better team often depends on the specific match conditions and player form.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.